Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Nova and preparing your phone so changes are reversible. First, back up your current layout or take screenshots. This protects your layout if you change your mind. Next, set Nova as the default home app so your tweaks apply system-wide. Once Nova is installed, open it and grant needed permissions like overlay and notification access. These let widgets and badges work properly. Doing these steps first saves work later and makes testing faster and safer. Now you customize the core layout. Adjust grid size and icon scale to fit more apps or create breathing room. This affects how you navigate. Then configure gestures like swipe up for the app drawer and double tap to lock. Gestures speed daily use. Tweak the app drawer, vertical, horizontal, or tabs, and design folders for quick access. Once those are set, apply an icon pack and enable adaptive icons so visuals remain consistent across apps. Finish by polishing animations, scroll speed, and notification badge behavior to balance smoothness and battery use. Then export a Nova backup. Save it to cloud or local storage so you can restore exactly. If something goes wrong, first clear Nova's cache or reapply the icon pack. That usually fixes missing or misaligned icons. If problems persist, reset the desktop from Nova settings and restore your exported backup. This sequence gets you a stable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.